Hey guys, Josh Sexton, luxury broker here at listingsatampa.com and Piney Woods Realty. Back for another quick video on the three major mortgage types you're gonna see out there. Number one, FHA. Most advantageous product for first-time home buyers. Very low minimum credit score of 580 on most programs. This is an excellent option for you if you're considering your first home, and also has a 3.5% low down payment. So I have a lot of people that think they can't qualify for a mortgage. This is a great program to check into if you think you might be borderline. Number two, conventional. Very common. A lot of my resale buyer people that are buying again or buying investment property. Conventional, a lot of times you can still get a pretty low down payment. There's 5% down programs right now. It does have a minimum credit score, a lot of times of 620. So always check with your lenders to make sure there's no updates on that as far as credit score and down payment, but conventional right now, as it sits from last I talked, it's where you're at. Number three, hugely advantageous program for my veterans out there. Thank you guys for your service. 0% down. Minimum credit score, a lot of times 620, but depending on disability, there can sometimes be qualifications for lower. So again, guys, three quick tips with Josh Sexton. Subscribe if you're on YouTube, like and comment if you're on Instagram. Hope you guys have a great day.